So we're going to make popcorn. Do you make your own popcorn?
Well, now that we're doing this, I'm going to try it out.
How much popcorn do you eat though? Because you watch a lot of movies.
Yes. Well, sometimes I pace myself. If I got popcorn in the previous movie I saw,
yes.
I won't get popcorn in the next one.
Otherwise, they'll be rolling you.
Yeah.
Yes. So we've got some regular vegetable oil here. You can use coconut oil, and then some regular popping corn. And usually the measurements are like 1 cup of corn to half a cup of oil.
Okay.
So just do that. Now, make sure you pop your corn in a pot that has a lid.
So it's not flying about.
Yes, and it will hurt you. I can guarantee. So just give it a quick shake, and then cover the pot, and then it will start popping.
What about the add-ons?
After.
Oh, it's after?
You add on once it's ready and the popcorn is so hot. Because hot food is really when you should. Did you know this? You should actually season your food when it's hot. Like if you want to add salt and things like plantain and so immediately you fry the plantain, then you add the salt. Because it sticks to the oil and the heat. So when your popcorn is ready, immediately it's ready. Then you can put your add-ins.
Okay, for the plantain thing, I always used to just sprinkle it before I fry.
No need. Because sometimes salt also draws out moisture.
Oh, that's true.
And then you start having water in the boil.
See, I'm learning.
So while we're waiting for our corn to start popping, what other movie would you suggest?
I would say one of my favorite classics from when I was a kid, The Sound of Music.
Captain One Trap?
The Family One Trap, yes.
That's a beautiful movie.
Yes, it is.
For a number of reasons. It's not just romantic love. It's like second chance love. So he's been widowed.
Yeah.
She never thought she would love after loving Jesus. Jesus was the first love.
Yes.
So it's like second chance love. 1, 2, there's familiar love. It takes a lot to love 7 children.
One is even an issue.
One that's a teenager. No, many teenagers. There was one that was very like Liesel, and the first one that was already loving somebody.
17, yeah.
Ooh, it was a lot. But I love the music. The music was great.
It was so good. Like
I recently met somebody who said he's never watched Sound of Music.
no.
I just think he's a deprived human being.
No, he should do himself the favor and go watch it.
I think it was a beautiful movie. And from a romantic perspective, I think Maria in her wedding dress with that very long trail inspired me and my sisters to always put towels on our hair.
Okay.
Like we had veils on. Like it was just so beautiful.
Yeah.
On VHS, I think. That
Yes, VHS. But I've seen it recently though, I think 2 years ago.
I saw it last year with closed captioning.
Oh, okay.
And that's when I realized I've been singing
rubbish.
Nonsense.
Many of all those musicals, we all sang nonsense.
Nonsense. Absolute nonsense. Okay, so another pick of mine. It's a very old movie, but I think it's a classic where you have to have the time to watch it because it's about almost 3 hours long.
Okay.
Gone with the Wind.
Oh, Scarlett
O'Hara and the house Tara and Rhett Butler. And you know what's very interesting about these movies we're naming? They have very handsome leading men.
Yes.
I'm just realizing that they had the leading man dashing looks. So Gone with the Wind is a classic. I think it's an amazingly beautiful movie. It's a period piece. So beautiful dresses at the time when you had dances and ladies had
amazing sets, huge sets.
Yeah. I think it was one of the movies where the studios, at the time anyway, when the studios actually brought out a lot of money for locations and for sets for that movie. Because otherwise they just used to do like those cookie cutter backdrops. But this one, they
cardboards and
it was really great. Again, a bit of sweet movie.
Yeah.
I hope my love.
Because life is like that sometimes.
It is though, and anybody that tells, and I think if you manage your expectations and realize that relationships and love are not streamlined, then you will have a better time of it.
Nuggets. Are you guys writing notes?
Yes, so you take notes, you know what you're talking about. Okay, so we're still waiting for our country call. Oh, we're about to be getting some popping action. Alright, so we've got some popping action, so we're almost there. But I think we have time for
one more pick.
Yes.
Okay, so I'm gonna go to, because I'm a film journalist and a Nollywood gospel preacher.
Yes.
I'm gonna go back to Nollywood again, and this one's another Biodun Stevens movie. It's called The Visit. In fact, this is the first Biodun Stevens movie I saw.
Oh yes, okay, so I've seen that one.
Yes, I'm a fan. Yeah, so
It's a good movie.
Yeah, very minimalist.
Why is it a favorite of yours though?
I like the fact that it was just 4 people in a house. Like
Yes.
they didn't really have to spend much, you know, and it was a well-written script.
Yes, because it kept developing. At some point, I was like, "What next?
What's
Like,
gonna happen?
Really?
Yeah.
What next?"
Where are they gonna take it?
Exactly. And tying into love, it's just about how you really don't know your partner.
Yeah.
Like there's so many layers. But then the question becomes, after you find out all that stuff, are you still willing to say, "Oh, that's a good one"? I agree with
Are you
that.
people writing? Who's just dropping nuggets?
Girl, I need to write self-help book.
Right? Yes, no.
Relationship type books. Okay, and so one of my all-time favorite movies, Love Actually.
Oh yes. I watch that every Christmas. I actually saw it this last Christmas.
It's
like a tradition of
It
mine.
is such a beautiful
It's a good movie.
because it's about different kinds of love.
Yes.
Even from a little pixie
Yes.
boy and then we call the chauffeur's daughter or what.
Yes.
I think that's a really good movie and it's light.
Yeah.
And it's fun. You're not gonna cry. Like a lot
Feel
of
good
these
movie.
movies you've been talking about are kind of heavy. Yeah. But you had a Bollywood movie to share.
Oh yes, I was gonna say Mad. Do you remember Mad from back in the day?
Back in the day.
Yes.
Though. Oh, goodness.
I don't remember everything about it, but I just remember how it made me feel, and that I can never forget.
You see, our popcorn, just have a few. So how you know that popcorn is ready is you're going to have like an explosion of popping.
Okay,
and then
at the
it'll
same
start to
time.
stop.
Okay.
Then you just start hearing 1 and 2 and 3. At that point, you need
Just
to turn
stop
the
unless
heat.
it will burn.
Yeah, and you start having burn kernels. If you like that kind of thing, that's good. But if you're trying to make an impression, you can at least make some. Like making bad popcorn is like not knowing how to fry.
Do you understand? Or not knowing how to boil water?
No water. Believe me. So we're almost there. And then we will hit you up when we're about to add in our extras. So our corn has finished popping and we allowed the pot to cool just a little bit because we don't want to be hitting our eyes. But when they say what happened to you, nobody will believe you.
Battle scars from popcorn.
Popcorn. People will be like, it's a lie. You must have an abusive person in your life. And then we just add some straw. Sorry. Like I always
That's deep.
like it's a lie.
Like, who is the guy? Is he has a punching bag?
So this is the point in which you add your add-ins. So
I'm definitely guessing this
strawberry syrup. So you can also add chocolate syrup if you want. You can add caramel syrup, and you need to do this when the popcorn is still hot. Yes. So add as much as you want. Yeah. Or add as little as you want, and it also gives it a nice pink. No, it's okay. It's okay. Just put that back and pretend like. Yeah. Okay. So now, if you like salty popcorn or regular sugar, use icing sugar.
Okay.
And then you can also use the pinch of salt. And then just turn it. So you can add candy here. You can add chocolate pieces.
So you're teaching me bad thing.
Yeah. Problem is, make this popcorn and lie in your bed watching those sappy movies and be crying.
Just be crying. Comfort food.
Then you eat the whole pot of popcorn. Okay. And then once you've done all your mixings, then you need to put your popcorn in the proper receptacle. So we're going for like a cute little bowl here. Ooh, 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 ooh. Nice and sticky. Because there are 2 of us. Oh, we're not supposed to be tasting yet. That's fine. And that's it. We have a spread. We've got our wine and soda. We've got our not so milkshake. We've got our chips and our dip. And we've got our popcorn. So I'll take this back to the burner and then it's time to taste. So we've got everything put together now. It's time for the fun part.
Yes,
Time to
tasting.
taste. So I have my own little mat and she has her own little mat and we'll share this one. What do you want to try first?
The dip. I like to try the spicy before the.
Yeah, makes sense. Okay, so have an equicurate. Is it an equicurate chip or have an equicurate?
Anyone no joint.
So the good thing about using the unripe plantain chips is that they're sturdy. So they'll be able to scoop.
Okay.
Versus like potato chips or anything like that. There you go.
Oh wow. I can taste the cucumber. Adds like this coolness to it.
To the spice. And it's not too spicy, there's a bit of sourness that comes from the yogurt, which I like. So like I said, definitely feel free to use mayo. That would be not fattening though. Or I'll add some mayo to this so I can do like half and half. Yeah, nice and simple.
This is good.
And delicate, see?
Yeah.
Your pincher nails remain intact. No drizzle.
You have some dripping.
And then
Still look like a lady.
so that's that one. Then we wash that down with, I think we should try the wine.
Yeah.
Then we go to desserts.
What are we turning to?
A fabulous year of Nollywood movies and
Woof.
higher standards.
Amen.
And
somebody.
to me, being an extra in a movie, I fit the part.
Right. Yeah.
Happy? I don't have to say anything. I can just carry a tray of food.
Wakaba.
Did they pay them?
Yeah, they do.
Wakabat?
Yeah.
Oh, please, I need it. So we're going to try that.
Yeah. So you're teaching me.
Yes.
all
This is perfect for me because there's alcohol in it, but it doesn't taste
It's
alcohol.
doused, yes.
Yes. And then the lemon lime soda just gives it that amount of sweetness.
Love it.
But there's still alcohol in it too, so drink responsibly, especially in the company of strangers. Abi? But we could like drink a whole bunch
Yeah,
of this
because
stuff.
it's just
we'll
us
be
now.
together now. We'll be giggling foolishly. at the movie.
Yeah, the movie.
Okay. I won't have. Okay. So popcorn then we wash down with.
With this. Okay.
So our strawberry popcorn.
Oh my gosh.
So
I'm having a
simple.
nostalgic feeling eating this. Might be one popcorn I used to eat in primary school. Like it just took me all the way back.
And
I
you know,
kid
that's
you
the
not.
beautiful thing about food though. Food evokes memories.
Yeah.
So that's the reason why you have such a strong reaction to something. You either love it or hate it.
Yeah.
A lot of the time it's not because you actually don't like it, but because of what it
Remind you of
represents.
something.
Yeah.
Same as perfumes as well.
Exactly.
I
And
guess
even
it
certain
does that for
songs.
me.
Like, oh, I never want to hear that again.
Gee.
Especially all of us heartbreak people. Did you ever have tape? You used to make mixtapes.
Oh, yeah.
And then when the tape would cut, you used to open it.
Yes.
And
then
sellotape
tape it back.
Viral.
Man, the kids of these days, you millennials.
You all, it's iTunes.
don't know what's
innit?
up.
They don't know anything
Yeah.
about physical music.
I saw a video once on YouTube of some kids reacting to some like old items from the past, the gramophone. They were clueless as to what those things were.
But it reminds us of how old we are.
Yeah.
I mean, I still feel like a girl, but I'm not. So yeah, I think this is a quick win. And like
Yeah.
I said, you can just use any type of syrup you want. You can add chocolate, you can add candy. And not too sweet, because we
Yeah.
didn't add any additional sugar. And then we're gonna wash it down with this, our not so milkshake. So give it a good stir. And then
Sweet.
it's just the icing on the cake, literally. Oh, yum. You shouldn't have too much of this. One glass is enough
Yeah.
of this one. But by the time you eat all of this stuff and you watch the movie, and you'll be drunk on love and food.
Oh yeah.
Drunk in love. Drunk in love. So you need to subscribe to the Delphinator TV
Yeah.
because we need to support Nollywood. We have a lot of great stories to share. And I truly, truly believe that the moment we control our narrative, the better the world will see us.
Absolutely.
Can't be having them portraying us as monkeys swinging from the vine.
Yes.
Abi? Yes, I'm with you on that one. And then, of course, Uzo's Food Labs on social media and, of course, YouTube. Please click on the subscribe button and then hit that bell thing. Apparently, if you want to have notifications for every single video that comes up, you need to be hitting the bell, right?
Absolutely.
Yes. And leave comments below.
Oh yeah.
And then if you want Delphine to like review any movies, try other foods, we should
Yeah,
do that. Please let her know and leave some comments on my channel as well. So have a wonderful, safe Valentine's Day.
Safe.
Be responsible
Yeah.
with your body, your mind, and your soul.
Absolutely.
Abby?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let love reign. Take care, guys.